Welcome to Top Review Lab. The Best Duck Moose is probably one of the most exciting and innovative brands in the children's educational app space, offering a delightful blend of fun gameplay and valuable learning experiences designed to captivate young minds. Their commitment to creating high-quality, engaging content that fosters creativity, problem-solving, and early literacy skills makes their apps a standout choice for parents and educators seeking enriching digital tools for their children. From interactive stories to playful puzzles, Duck Moose consistently delivers apps that are not only entertaining but also developmentally appropriate and beneficial for a child's growth. Number 5. PREXTEX Plush Duck Toys, Mama and Baby Ducks. Introducing a delightful set featuring a large mama duck with 5 adorable baby ducklings nestled inside. It's perfect for endless playtime adventures. These soft and cuddly plush toys are designed for children aged 3 to 5 years old. They are ideal for birthdays and holidays, bringing smiles to little faces. Spark your child's imagination with this huggable mama duck and her 5 playful baby ducklings. They're perfect for hours of creative and engaging fun. Crafted from soft, durable, and washable materials, each toy is made to last. They are safe and suitable for kids of all ages, ensuring peace of mind. When playtime is over, simply zip the baby ducklings back inside the mama duck. This makes storage and portability a breeze. Looking for a unique gift? This charming set is ideal for young duck enthusiasts and any occasion. It's sure to be a cherished present. What we like? This set features a large mama duck with 5 little ducklings inside, perfect for imaginative play and easy storage. If you're looking for a cuddly companion that encourages storytelling and offers a convenient way to keep toys tidy, this is a fantastic choice for young children who love animal families. What people say? The product is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The design is intuitive and easy to understand, making it user-friendly. It offers a wide range of features that cater to various needs. Number 4. Moose Toys Space Jam 4-Pack. Assemble your dream team with these collectible mini-figures from Space Jam, a new legacy. Get ready to hit the court. This pack comes with 4 awesome mini-figures, including basketball stars like LeBron, Daffy Duck, and Lola Bunny. Each figure has its own basketball base. You'll find an exclusive LeBron figure in every pack. It's your chance to own a piece of the action. Unbox the excitement with a surprise rare figure hidden inside each pack. Can you guess which one you'll score? Keep an eye out for the special power-up figures, which can only be found in this mini-figures 4-pack. They add an extra level of fun to your collection. There are 22 unique mini-figures to collect in Series 1. Start building your complete set today and become the ultimate collector. What we like? This pack brings the stars of Space Jam, a new legacy right to your fingertips, including exclusive and rare figures to discover. If you're a fan of the movie or enjoy collecting unique character pieces, this is the perfect way to build your own starting lineup and add some excitement to your collection. What people say? The product is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The design is intuitive and easy to understand, even for beginners. It offers a wide range of features that are useful for various tasks. Number 3. Buck Moose, Cooking Game. Unlock the secrets to preparing delicious meals with venison, elk, and more. This guide offers essential techniques for any hunter or aspiring chef. Discover how to transform your harvest into culinary masterpieces. We cover everything from basic butchering to advanced cooking methods. Explore a wide range of recipes for deer, elk, moose, and antelope. Each dish is designed to highlight the unique flavors of wild game. Learn professional tips and tricks for cooking game to perfection. Achieve tender, flavorful results every time you step into the kitchen. This is your go-to resource for all things wild game. Elevate your cooking with these reliable and exciting recipes. What we like? This guide offers a comprehensive collection of recipes and techniques specifically for cooking various types of wild game, with a focus on antlered animals. If you're an adventurous cook or a hunter looking to make the most of your game, this book provides the essential knowledge to prepare delicious and impressive meals. What people say? The product is well made and durable. The design is intuitive and easy to use. It has a variety of features that are useful for everyday tasks. Number 2. Duck Duck Moose. Get ready for a fun and engaging game experience. It's perfect for family game nights and gatherings with friends. The rules are easy to pick up, making it accessible for players of all ages. You'll be having a blast in no time. This game keeps everyone on their toes with its playful twists and turns. It's sure to bring laughter and excitement to your table. More than just a game, it's an opportunity to create lasting memories. Enjoy quality time together and strengthen your bonds. Looking for a unique and entertaining gift? This is a fantastic choice for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Bring home the fun and adventure. Order your Duck Duck Moose game now and let the good times roll. What we like? This delightful book offers a charming story with engaging illustrations, perfect for young readers. If you're searching for a fun and interactive read-aloud experience that will capture a child's imagination and introduce them to a whimsical world, this is an excellent selection for story time. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It is easy to assemble and use. The design is engaging and educational for children. Number 1. Duck Duck Moose T-shirt. Show off your love for wildlife with this unique T-shirt. It's perfect for anyone who appreciates the great outdoors and a touch of humor. Looking for a gift that's both fun and thoughtful? This tee is an excellent choice for friends and family who adore nature and quirky designs. Crafted for comfort and designed to stand out, this T-shirt is a stylish addition to any casual wardrobe. Wear it on your next adventure or just relax in style. This shirt features a playful design that's sure to bring a smile. It's more than just apparel, it's a statement piece that reflects your personality. Get ready to turn heads with this eye-catching T-shirt. It's the ideal way to express your passion for wildlife and unique fashion. What we like? Showcase your love for wildlife with this uniquely designed T-shirt featuring a moose. If you're looking for a comfortable and stylish way to express your passion for nature and animals, or need a thoughtful gift for a fellow wildlife enthusiast, this tee is a great addition to any casual wardrobe. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a good function and features. The product is factual and works as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.